discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
This is different. They actually, what if it rains?
I have another panel.
Oh, okay.
I just swapped it out.
Wow. So you blew your windshield out. Instead of having to deal with the windshield, you just worked on reinforcing your front glass.
Yeah,
okay.
put some steel up here, and then this is all.
And you're still able to drive this on the highway if you need. No? No highway drive?
Trailer queen now.
Okay. Wow. So your name real quick and what's in here?
That thing just sparked again, didn't it?
What happened?
Open that door.
What's happening?
I don't know, buddy.
Is it?
Something's going on there. We'll have to come back to this.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Alright. Just leave that one open.
Okay. So real quick, your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Anthony Koya, Team Committed Fabrications. This is 4 Otis Design Shockwave 18s in a 4th order with one base 15K wired at 0.7 right now.
Okay. This is wild.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm putting my hand through that.
Yeah, I had a couple guys stand up in it earlier.
So if you shut this door, that acts as a port?
Yes. Yeah, it actually still acts as a port. You'll see because we can actually kind of float this guy.
Okay. And this is a 4th or 6th?
It is a 4th order.
4th order. Okay. I like your little moon style to this. Glow in the dark and all.
Man, I wish you could see it at nighttime. It's all UV reacting, it glows.
Sweet.
Yeah.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Do this.
This isn't even hardly moving.
No.
Dude, that's awesome.
It's all welded up there, bro.
Yeah.
It's welded across.
So this is now trailered, but you're able to drive if you need it for emergency, but you're able to, pretty much a trailer vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm driving around the corner to not play at my house.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, man, for showing me.
No problem.
I'm gonna go look at the back. Is it already open?
What's that?
Is the back open?
Yeah, you can open either door.
Okay.
They're unlocked.
Excuse me. Sorry. What's up, man? Hey.
water boy.